Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Floetrol. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. As you can see, I'm doing another bloom. I'm going to be working on a 6x6 tile. And right now I'm putting down my pillow paint. My pillow paint is a Glidden Essentials eggshell paint, house paint. I'll be using 3 colors today. That would be permanent red violet, which I'm putting on now. Then the next one is a TLP color, which is called Sapphire. Love that blue. And then my third color will be Mermaid, which is also a TLP color. Now the permanent red violet is Amsterdam. Then once I put my colors down, I will put down my cell activator. And I'm going to use 2 cell activators today, again, because I'm experimenting. The first one will be mixed with Floetrol and a black, Mars black. And then the second one will be Floetrol mixed with titanium white. And then I'll start blowing it out. Now my my pouring medium for the colors is Josana Gloss Varnish and Deep Base 8300 Behr Premium Plus. And I'll leave all that in the description below. So after I finish this 6x6, I will go ahead and blow on a 8x8 heart-shaped canvas. I like the tile a lot better than the canvas, but again, we're still practicing. And at the end, I will show you both dried results. So again, if you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Floetrol. Creating is what I do.